Hey, I'm Peter, and I'm a product engineer here at Metaview.
And I'm Jasper. I work on the engagement team, helping our customers get the most out of our product.
We've been working on continuously improving our AI sourcing agent.
And today, we're going to walk you through 2 big upgrades that make it way smarter about how it searches and where it sources from.
All right, let's get to the demos. A massive upgrade we've recently shipped is enabling our AI sourcing agent to search inside your own systems, not just the open web. So the agent can now rediscover great candidates inside your own ATS. You've already invested in these relationships. The agent helps you rediscover and activate them. So let's kick off a search. I'll use voice input here instead of typing. Find me B2B account executives in London who have consistently hit or exceeded their quotas for the last 3 years. We click yes on the search, and we select Ashby or Metaview as the channel. Then we kick off the search. So the agent started working. We can see it thinking about how it's going to go about doing this search for us. And at first, it's going to turn that into some structured criteria and present me an ICP, an ideal candidate profile. What we have here looks good, so I've told it to continue with the search. Now the agent's going to get to work, and it'll be done in a few minutes. You can see here our agent has finished its work and found the strongest set of candidates it can find. What's different here is these are people we've already engaged with, people from our ATS, the silver medalists, the people who got far in the process but didn't quite make it. As usual, we can provide feedback on the candidates and calibrate for future searches. And then within our candidates panel, we can take the yes candidates and send them on to the ATS to continue the pipeline.
So the really cool thing about sourcing from an ATS is we can also source from our previous Metaview conversations. Those conversations capture rich conversational data, which goes far beyond what you can find on a CV or on a LinkedIn profile. Things like their motivators, why they were looking to leave their current company, and in the example of this search, their specific quota attainment that was discussed during the call. Essentially, by capturing that information, we're creating a searchable database that Metaview can go back into and source candidates based on stuff that you just wouldn't find anywhere else. We can see this indicated by the Metaview logo on each of the candidate profiles. We can even click into one of these candidates and dig deeper into exactly what was said during that conversation and pull out insights and questions from each one.
The second upgrade is all about making the agent behave like a recruiter on your team, not a generic sourcing agent. We've launched Workspace Knowledge. This is a way for the agent to know about your rules, preferences, and playbook, so it can automatically apply them to every single search. For every piece of knowledge, we have a when to use and how to use it. For example, when searching for account executives, always clarify with me whether we want mid-market or enterprise AEs. We create the knowledge, and then we kick off a new search. Now it's begun the search and realized it needs to clarify with me. As expected, it's asked whether we want mid-market, enterprise, or either for our search. I can clarify my choice, and it will continue the search as normal, just with my preferences saved. Instead of relying on memory or wasting time applying the same filters over and over again, you can tell the AI once, and it will remember for all future searches. That's what we've shipped lately. We're excited to hear what you make of it.
Definitely want to remind you that it's free to try today. So hop on, test it out, and give it a spin.